This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the only reliable path: Apple service or authorized repair. Check warranty or Apple Care. If covered, service may be low or free. Once done, note your AirPods serial and proof of purchase, because Apple uses those to validate service. Make sure your AirPods and case are clean and paired to your device so diagnostics are easier. Don't waste time on DIY teardown. The internal battery swap is micro-soldering level and risks permanent damage. Next, schedule service. Contact Apple support via phone, chat, or book at a nearby Apple store. Once connected, describe diminished battery life. Apple runs a diagnostic and confirms battery health. If you can't visit, opt for mail-in service. Apple provides prepaid shipping and instructions. Make sure to get a firm estimate of cost and the expected turnaround time so you can decide to repair or replace. Remember, approving Apple service preserves device pairing and ensures genuine parts and warranty coverage. Finally, when you receive your AirPods back or pick them up, inspect and test them right away. Charge them fully, run continuous audio playback, and test each bud independently to confirm improved battery life and stable connection. Keep your receipt and service reference. If you still see issues within the Apple service window, contact support immediately for follow-up or repeat diagnostics. If you attempted third-party repair and problems arise, Apple may decline warranty, so prefer authorized service to avoid that risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.